Sustainability is a natural part of Mirka's culture and identity. We have worked a lot with energy questions, health and safety, raw materials, supply chain. They're all part of a sustainable development. In fact, we already included that in our corporate vision statement almost 10 years ago, and since then it's been an integral part of how we work with questions of sustainability and responsibility, and how we take that into account in different parts of our processes. Sustainability and the environmental side is very much a part of both our vision statement, but also is reflected in our corporate values. The 4 values are: we are responsible, we are committed, we are innovative, we are respectful. We have worked a lot with energy supply, energy efficiency. For example, the Jeppu site here behind me is fully fossil-free for all energy consumption. And one of the main questions we have is transport logistics. That's something we can not only do well, we have to be excellent at logistics to save resources. Supply chain is optimized to take into consideration local supply, local partners as far as we can. This means we try to get a big part of our supply done here with very efficient logistics and transports out to our main markets. An important aspect of sustainability is, of course, the social aspects. And that comes in many different formats. It's from health and safety to work environment, but also our contribution to societies where we operate, where we have our factories, where we have our people. We want to be a good employer. We want to make sure everybody has the best opportunities to really do a good job. At the end of the day, I think a part of being located in the more rural area and countryside of Finland is also we contribute quite a lot to the local society in terms of employment opportunities, of wealth creation and business success, which again makes a rural area very successful. Good examples of Mirka's investments in health and safety are, for example, our commitment to a zero accident program. This work has been ongoing for many years, and we are now at an absolute world-class level in terms of accident frequency, injury rates, and so on. Again, at the end of the day, our people that produce our abrasives, tools and compounds and so on need to be healthy and feel well every day to make the best job they can.